on land, so I didn't think about doing my hair or my face or any of that stuff. But what is it, kind of like boat hair, don't care? I gotta show you this. It's gorgeous out here. It's beautiful. I love it. Y'all need to come join us down here.
It's about 6:30 in the morning and we're anchored off Boot Key Harbor in Marathon down in the Keys. And the entire Keys is a no discharge zone. And they don't make it really easy to get to a pump out. They have a free service, a boat that'll actually come out to you at anchor and pump you out, but it only hits selected anchorages and only hits them about once a week. So for transient boaters like us that move around, it's hard to time it to be where they're at and we're at the same time. So yesterday we headed towards Marathon, Boot Key Harbor, because we know that they have a dock that has pump out. And also because of the cold weather, we've been having to run our generator a lot more. And so we're starting to need some fuel for the generator again. So anyway, we're beelining it down here, and I called just to make sure that their pump out facility was still working. And they said, because it's a holiday, they're closing at 3:45, and we couldn't get here until about 4:15. So that didn't work. So I said, well, what about today, the next day? And they said, oh, Tuesday's the day we pump out at the slips. So you have to be here between 7 and 8 in the morning. Otherwise, our guys are out pumping out the boats at the slip. So, okay, so we dropped anchor right outside the harbor. It was a very rolly night. I don't know about Marie. I haven't talked to her yet. She's just getting up, but I did not sleep well at all. And so anyway, we've got to get underway here in just a few minutes so that we can be at their dock at 7 o'clock and make sure we get pumped out. Because we got one tank that's already pretty much full. We're living off our second tank at the moment. And so we need to get that taken care of before they get tied up doing other stuff. So some of the fun parts of being on a boat.
I want to show you, I made a little surprise for Ron. So all I did was take the dark chocolate chips that we snack on from time to time, put them in a bowl, microwave them a little bit at a time, stir them up, and hold on to one edge of the pretzel and dip the other one into the chocolate, put it on wax paper, and since it's dark chocolate, it'll set out here without being refrigerated, but I'm going to refrigerate it anyway, and then after it sets thoroughly, I'll be able to bring them out, and they can be put in a bowl for snacking on. And I hope you enjoy watching our videos. Give us a thumbs up if you like us, or comment. We like the comments. Good comments. They say no one wears jeans in the Keys, but it's so cold that Ron and I are wearing jeans in the Keys. in the Florida Keys.
In Marathon, Florida. Marathon Key. That's pitiful.
I think I need to tie my shoelace. And socks.
Yep.
And socks in Marathon, Florida. Of course, it is January, but still.
Yeah. Our friend Dominic told us about this place to eat that is really awesome. If somebody doesn't show you where it's at, you're not going to find it. It is literally hidden among the trees and the plants, but it's well worth finding. It's called Erie Island Eats. And the food, it's Caribbean style food in a tropical atmosphere. The food is absolutely delicious. If you come to Marathon, Florida, search this place out. To go eat something for supper.
Ron's on his way back with groceries. I'm a little weak still, but I'm moving around. Oh goodness, it's heavy. Yeah, it's heavy. Everything, plus this one that I can't pick up. You'll probably want to lift the dinghy out a little bit further.
How was the fishing?
Oh, great. Kill me.
Yeah?
Oh, yeah. A little bit of wind here. We had to stop because Dominic didn't want to clean anymore.
Yeah, that was left-handed?
I'm left-handed.
Oh, you cheat
Yes.
then. You cheat.
Yeah.
You cheat.
I do like these. It's a good idea.
I do too.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
What?
The clips.
Oh,
We
yeah,
can
you just pull this and it releases it.
Yeah.
I mean, when you got it in the water.
Yeah.
we
Oh, yeah, I
can
know.
we can raise and lower this dinghy in about 2 minutes. 1 minute up, 1 minute down.
There you go.
watching.